Iron Condor trade ideas. This is what we're doing today. We're gonna do some trading ideas using Iron Condor, using Market Chameleon. 7 days trial in the description below. Let's get to it with Market Chameleon. You're gonna go here. You're gonna click on this one, Condor screeners, Iron Condor short. The second one, basically, the first one is debit, second one is credit. So you're gonna click here. And to make life simple, we're gonna find this screener credit Iron Condor spread. Before we do any further, let's read a quick disclaimer. All this, know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and also my name is Ivar, so known as Finance After 40. This is for educational purposes only. Some of you comment on my last video that you like Iron Condors, you want to know more about it, how to trade, all that stuff. I'm not gonna do Iron Condor 101 tutorial, there's tons of YouTube about it. However, if you want to find like a play, click through, push the button, all that stuff, trade ideas, Market Chameleon is the place for you. So let's get to it. So once you find the screener, you got a couple of options and they really make your life easier. I like to change, you got the preset in here, Market Chameleon preset, which is the default. But I like to change to best by theoretical edge plus 70% win rate. And I'm gonna show you two options that I like to look. I start to look at this every single morning, okay? Two options. First of all, I'm going to change the any positive to plus 10%, and the theoretical win rate is above 70%, and all the condors in the next 30 days. Now, Market Chameleon finds you trades that you don't know the future. First of all, no one does, but it finds you trades that will help you collect more income, more credit than what you should have collected in the past. This is the key. So I'm going to show you one trade on the theoretical edge and one trade on the win rate. So let's get to it. Step one, go to theoretical edge, okay, and click twice so you can filter by that. That's one. That's the second click right here. And we got, you see, theoretical edge 53.3% is the highest, and Visa is number one with 550 billion market cap. So I'm gonna look pretty simple, and I already see that I'm collecting $400, $408 compared to 226. So that's the edge, that's the theoretical edge. Assuming everything is equal, you should have collected 220. And you are collecting 410, and this is the trade real quick. So we're gonna click here, you're gonna click expiration and see the trade in details, and it tells you August 2nd is the expiration, but earning is July 23, so you have like 10 days to recuperate from the earnings, assuming nothing crazy will happen. Okay, that's basically what it means. Now you're gonna scroll here, and this is the trade. It tells you that Visa right now is at 269, and it tells you the spread, the condor right here is for August 2nd. Sell the 265 put, buy the 257.5, and then sell the 275 and buy the 282 and half calls. And this is the beauty. Look at this. You are collecting $410 compared to 296. Okay, this is what happens. You are collecting. This is that's exactly where Market Chameleon shines. So pay attention. Collecting over $400 compared to about $300 extra, $100 credit over time. It compounds, and this is the trade. You are right here, and it tells you all the numbers in here, but you can see if Visa stays the same, you are collecting 119% yield, which is crazy. And your max loss is if Visa goes down 4.4% or go up 4.9%, and they stay the same, and break even is negative 3.1 or positive 3.7. Okay, so basically it needs to stay anywhere between 265 to 275. And we are now at 270, so this is exactly the middle where we are. Of course, anything can happen, but as I said, the beauty is that you're collecting $400 compared to $300, extra 33%, again, compound over time. So that's one option to go over the theoretical edge. The second option that I like to go, and you can go over all of them and see what you like, but the second option is to go by percentage win rate. Okay, again, click twice right here. Okay, and let's find something. You see it starts with 95.5%, but I want something with big billions, and we see here McDonald's MCD 188.5 billion. And see here already, I know that this is interesting trade. Collect $470 compared to $250. Now that's something that I'm interested in. Plus 40% theoretical edge, 83.3% win rate. This is the trade. Let's open it, and it says again August 2nd, but the earning is July 29, so maybe close the trade one day before and collect theta decay for the next 10 days, give or take. Something to consider. Okay, so let's see here. We are at 260. Okay, and let's click here, and it tells you the trade. As I said, McDonald's is at 260, 259.5. You sell the 257.5 and you buy the 247.5 puts. And on the other side, you sell the 265 and buy the 275 calls for August 2nd. And look at this. Look at this pretty stuff. $477, almost $500 credit compared to $210. Think about it. You are collecting $500 credit almost compared to $200 credit if you took this trade in the past. And look at this is the theoretical edge is astronomical, 94% historical win rate, and the credit is massive, absolutely massive. If you scroll down, you are here and you can see all the details in here. Okay, and it tells you exactly if McDonald's doesn't move, you are collecting 91.2% yield if they don't move in the next 10 days or so. Distance to max loss, McDonald's needs to lose 4.7% to the negative side or positive 5.9% to the positive side, and you got the break even. So in the next 10 days, just to break even and still have all that $500 income, they need to lose either 2.7% or gain 3.9%. So that's pretty massive move for McDonald's that doesn't move so much. MX gain is anywhere between 257 and 265. We are now, as I said, at 259, so exactly in the middle. So you still have a cushion, but again, the place that Market Chameleon shine is in between the extra credit. I didn't say that they can go down to below 247 or above 275, but all I said that you are collecting, look at this, more than double, like 150% more than what you should have collected based on history. So this is two ways to look at Iron Condor trade ideas. Get comfortable with Market Chameleon. Check all the screeners every morning, 7 days trial. I hope this was valuable to make your life simple. Again, this isn't Iron Condor 101. If you want Iron Condor one-on-one like basic stuff, comment below, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to find trade ideas either by theoretical edge or either by win percentage. Both of them are interesting options. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. 7 days trial, link below. Bye bye. Thanks.